Estellar Academy students outshine in JEE Main 2026 January session. 43 students scored above 90 percentile, highest from any institute in Goa. Estellar Academy is expecting outstanding performance in NEET, JEE Advanced and Boards 2026.
Hi, I am Yogendra Sikarwar. I am founder and director of Estellar Academy. I am quite happy to share with you all that in the JEE Main Session 1 exam, our student of Estellar Academy have done really well. 3 students have got 99 plus percentile. 8 students have got 98 plus percentile. 18 students have got 95 plus percentile and 43 students have got 90 plus percentile, which is the highest from any institute in Goa. And our students, they have much more potential, and with their more efforts, hard work and the perseverance which they are going to show, in the session 2 the result is going to be even much better. We are going to cross the 50 students 90 plus percentile marks, and in 99 plus percentile also the number will be much higher. So I am very happy and pleased to share this result with you all. I congratulate all the students who have done really well. I also encourage students who could not do well due to any reasons in the previous sessions not to lose hope, because now their board exams are over. They should work really hard and focus their entire time to prepare for session 2 as well as for JEE Advanced. So with these words I conclude my congratulations. And again, as I mentioned to you, that we have given consistently good results. We are improvising our result every year in terms of volume also, the total number of students who are achieving success, and in terms of quality also, the number of students who are achieving really good, the toppers, their numbers are also going higher. So this we are going to keep doing year by year, and our students will be doing well in JEE Main session 2 also, in JEE Advanced also, as well as in NEET exam also. So with all your supports and blessings of the Almighty, we have done really well. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Joshua Karandisu. I'm a student of Estellar Integrated Program, and I got 99.67 percentile in JEE Main Session 1. I'm happy that I got 99.67 in JEE Main Session 1, and yeah, I would like to do better in JEE Advanced and JEE Mains 2 also. My journey at Estellar Academy was like really excellent. Like the tests and all were like really good, and like they were also like always available like for doubt solving and all. Like we could solve like how much of the questions we want, and like you can ask like how much of questions you need. Like all the doubts were solved. Like sirs were like always available. The tips I would like to give to like my juniors is like just like trust yourself. Like don't keep compare yourself with others. You don't know like how you can improve over the time. You just keep consistency. Like do daily your work, and you will get a good percentage. I would suggest like my juniors to join Estellar Academy. You will surely get like a really competitive environment here. I would first like to thank my parents for giving me such an opportunity to study here, to give my best here, because they never pressurized me at home or something to get like good score and all. They like always supported me. And I would like to thank all the faculty here, especially Yogendra sir, Shivam sir, Arpan sir. And my special thanks like to Yogendra and Shivam sir, they were like always with me. I would like to also thank all my friends who were like always with me whenever I was down. I'm really happy getting such a good percentile in JEE Mains, and I would like give my best shot in JEE Advanced 2026.
So happy. Thank you. So Stella sir brigade hard work. So happy. Thank you.
I'm Jonathan D'Souza. I'm a student of Estellar School Integrated Program, and I scored 99.39 percentile in JEE Mains first attempt. Firstly, I want to give all glory to God, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, without whom I would have not been able to receive this achievement. I also would like to thank my teachers, and especially Sir Yogendra, for his constant support, and my parents and my classmates. I'm feeling great, and it feels like all of my hard work has been fruitful. I plan to get better marks in JEE Main 2 and crack advanced as well. My experience at Stellar was very fun. They made learning quite fun, and the environment in the classroom was very competitive as well as enjoyable. So just be consistent, start working from 11th only, otherwise backlogs will be created, and then it's very hard to deal with backlogs. One more message I would like to share: just trust your teachers, just blindly follow what they tell you. They know what they're doing. With offline learning, we get the environment in classroom which is not there online, and you are motivated by your peers to learn better.
So Jonathan has been very dedicated over these last couple of years, and I think Stellar has played a significant part in what he's been able to achieve. The competition among the peers that he had was very beneficial. He's consistently been among the top 5 over the last couple of years, and I'm really grateful to all of the staff of Stellar. They are extremely dedicated, they're passionate about what they do, and they've instilled a love for all of the subjects, which is why he's been able to achieve what he's got.
Jonathan really loved his teachers. The professors make a lot of impact on our students' studying life, and I think they would reiterate and emphasize on you need to go home and you need to have that self-study time, which was, I think, really, I mean, if you tell a student to study, they're not going to study because it just puts you off and you just go in your room and lock yourself and study. But I think Stellar's had a nice way of telling them, this is done in the class and you do need to do it on a daily basis. They would give regular tests, and he made sure that he was following till the end, even the JEE exam. The professor told him by 5 o'clock you need to just close and relax and be prepared for your exam. So he just followed it, and we went out for a meal also before the JEE exam, which says he really was cool and relaxed, but he answered his exam well. That just said that he followed instructions and he did exactly, and then the result just shows.
Hello, I'm Piyush Ramkar. I'm a student of Stellar School Integrated Program, and I scored 99.12 percentile in JEE Main's first attempt. I'm very delighted and I feel proud of myself for doing good in this attempt. So to my juniors, I would like to suggest them to be hardworking, be focused, and solve questions, revise concepts again and again, and take some efforts to achieve their goals. My experience at Stellar Academy was really good. The teachers are very supportive, they are helpful, they help you whenever you call them or ask them. The DPPs are very good, the modules are really JEE oriented and JEE Mains and advanced oriented. The test series are also very relevant to the JEE exams. You get an idea about the score you are going to get. So I would like to thank my parents for their support and guidance. Also, I would like to thank the teachers and my friends who have supported me. So for all my juniors, I would recommend them to join Stellar Academy if they want to do really good in JEE Mains or NEET. To all my juniors, I would really recommend them to join Stellar Academy to get a good NIT or IIT and do well in JEE Mains, Advanced or NEET.
I am very much happy to announce that my son Piyush has scored 99.12 percentile. And thanks to Stellar Academy for continuous support and their guidance. All teachers have supported him very much. I like the institutions that they are taking continuous test. That is very much helpful to the kids, students, and teacher support is very important. They are behaving that student and teachers are friends, not this. Because of that, student can ask any doubts freely. So that helps them a lot.
Hi, my name is Sansia Prabhakaran. I study at Stellar School Integrated Program, and for my JEE first phase, I've scored 98.3 percentile. I'm pretty happy about how I've performed, and I'm thankful to the sirs for helping me and guiding me. To my juniors, I would like to suggest them that they give minimum 6 hours every day for their studies with maybe a 10-minute break after 2 hours, and be consistent with that, especially in 12th as well as 11th, and let them make sure that they clear up their concepts with the sirs. My experience at Stellar was really great, and the sirs made sure that we had fun as well, and they took care of our studies. They made sure that they cleared our doubts, and they provided us with the best set of questions, and several questions that came for my paper was, especially in maths, it was also done in class by our sir. I would like to give a special thanks to my maths sir, Sir Shivam, and also my parents and my sister who supported me in this journey. I recommend the juniors also to join Stellar with full trust. I'm trying my level best to do better in the JEE second phase, and I'm also trying to get in one of the best IITs.
My name is Vedant Pai and I'm from Stellar School Integrated Program, and I scored 98.26 percentile in the JEE session 1. I feel great, I feel confident, and I have faith in myself that I'll do more, I'll do better in the coming attempts and also advance. Support from Stellar was great. All the teachers, the staff helped us throughout our journey, solved our doubts, and of course built our confidence. The test series helped us a lot in building the confidence and giving us an exam-like experience to calm our minds. So overall, all the teachers, all the staff, I thank you all. Yeah, I would definitely like you all to join Stellar, maybe NEET, JEE or any other competitive exam, and I wish you all the best. For you juniors, I would just like to say that just keep your pens running, let the ink get over, solve as many as sums you can give tests, and in the end, believe in yourself and stay calm during the exam. Yeah, I would like to thank my parents, all the teachers and staff of Stellar for building my confidence and providing me motivation all throughout the journey. And yeah, hence you can see the results.
My name is Muhammad Ali Karul. I am a student of Stellar High Secondary School Integrated Program, and I have scored 98.23 percentile in JEE Mains 2026. After cracking JEE Mains, I feel really great. I feel I have been rewarded for all the hard work I have done in the past 2 years, and it was honestly a very good journey that I have experienced here. Got to learn a lot of things, and I'm very happy of my achievement. Tips that I would like to give is don't give up on maths, especially because maths is really a deciding factor when it comes to rank. So even if you're scoring low marks in maths, please don't give up in maths, and never quit, because I was not that good. I was good, but not so good in mock tests, and I ended up doing really well. So don't give up until the last moment. My experience with Stellar Academy was really good. All the 3 faculties of PCM were really good here. They encouraged me, they solved my doubts. They were always there to help me out, and I really liked their way of teaching, and I feel Stellar is a really good choice. I would like to thank my parents as well, as they have worked really hard for me, and I'm here because of them. Advice just from my side is to never give up. Just keep working hard. I would say hard work always pays off.
Nice to wish Muhammad Ali. Great name from the Stellar, as well a great name for all the staff of the teaching staff, non-teaching staff of the Stellar. I'm very nice to see him. He observed my motivation, and he carried on with my motivation, and he is trying to reach to greater heights.
Hi, my name is Ethan Tavares. I am a student of Stellar School Integrated Program, and I have scored 98.17 percentile in my JEE Main January session. After scoring this score, I feel good, but there is definitely room for improvement, so I have to keep on working and keep on studying. The advice I would like to give to my juniors are solve questions rigorously, attend all your classes, ask your teachers your doubts, and track your mock score, analyze your mistakes, and work to improve it. I would definitely recommend Stellar Academy to all my juniors who are pursuing JEE and NEET. My elder sibling was also a student of Stellar Academy, and he's also done very well in his JEE and JEE Advanced examination. I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, my friends, and my relatives for supporting me throughout my journey.
I'm Mia Gypsy. I'm from Stellar High Secondary School, and I scored 97.8 percentile in JEE. To all my juniors, I would like to say that the best way to find out where you're weak is to solve as many questions as you can, and then ask the sirs if you have any doubts. The teachers were very helpful at Stellar's and were always ready to solve my doubts. And I would like to thank my parents, teachers for helping me throughout.
Hello, my name is Siddharth Bhandari. I am a student of Stellar School Integrated Program, and my percentile in JEE Main session 1 January was 97.35 percentile. I am happy about my percentile, but I will attempt the second attempt and try to do better. The tip I want to give my juniors is that not stress too much about it and have fun along the way. I had a great experience with Stellar Academy. I had a lot of support and I am very grateful for it. I want to thank my family, friends and teachers for all the support they gave me to support me at my lowest points and get me here.
Hello, my name is Isan Desai and I am a student of Estellar High Secondary School Integrated Batch and my JEE percentile is 96.98. I feel great after clearing in the first attempt, but I am again hoping that I will be giving the second attempt and hoping for even higher percentile and eventually cracking the air. Tips I want to give my juniors: don't ignore the 11th class. Important thing is stay healthy, because if you don't stay healthy, then none of this you can achieve. And third important thing is to be yourself, be calm, and have confidence in yourself. Overall journey was great. I gave every exam, even though I felt that maybe I will fail the exam or maybe I'll get bad marks. But even then, I attempted every papers and every test they giving stellar. I think that had a major role in my percentile. I would like to say thanks to my mom, dad, and all the teachers and all the staff here for helping me and guiding me in this journey. I would definitely recommend my juniors to join the Stellar, and if you stay here and study with the teachers and follow what they're telling to you to do, you can definitely do better.
My name is Eric Gracious. I'm from Stellar Integrated High Secondary School. I got 96.71 percentile in January session of JEE Mains. I'm happy that I got this percentile in JEE Mains, and I want to improve it in the April attempt and advance also by working harder. I recommend Stellar Academy for my juniors also. Their faculty is really good and they'll guide you and help you crack your exams also. It was really good. It was not as difficult as it would have been without Stellar. My experience in Stellar Academy was really good. Teachers were really helpful and helped us clear our doubts and be relaxed even in difficult times. I recommend my juniors also to join Stellar Academy because it will be very easy for you to crack the exam. Even my elder brother Anthony, he was the ex-student of Stellar Academy. Even he did really well for JEE Main, and now he's studying at NIT Goa. And even I want to join a top engineering college of India. I want to say thanks to my parents for being very supportive and my teachers for clearing my doubts, my friends for giving me support, and my good experience during this journey with all of them.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate the entire team of Stellar Academy for achieving excellent results. We are parents of Eric Gracious, and we are proud to say that we are happy that he has done well due to his hard work. We would like to thank Sir Yogendra and Sir Shivam in a special way for believing in our son and for guiding him and supporting him throughout this journey. We are happy that Eric has done well in this attempt, and we would also wish that he does better in the upcoming exams. We are also happy because our older son also has been a part of Stellar Academy, and he also has stopped in the JEE.
Currently he is studying at NIT. It is an achievement because few students getting around 90% percentile for more than 42 students is a great achievement for Stellar Academy.
My name is Kasturi Chaudhary. I am a student of Estellar School of Excellence and Integrated Program, and I have scored a percentile of 96.63 in the JEE Mains exam. To all my juniors, I would like to suggest that keep studying, keep working consistently, get all your concepts cleared, ask your doubts, and keep working hard. Experience was really great. The teachers here are very good. They motivate you, they support you in anything you need. The explanations are top class, and they're always there to help you. The study material is also very good, and the test series are also they are really helpful. I would like to thank my parents for constantly supporting me, pushing me, and also Stellar and all my teachers for helping me throughout.
I'm Nathan D'Souza. I'm from Estellar Academy and I scored a percentile of 96.6 in JEE Main. Scoring 96.6 was unexpected and a great achievement for me, and I feel really great and proud about it. But I want to do even more better. It was a rough journey. It had its lows and downs, but there are always teachers there to support you. Their constant motivation is all that really mattered to me. It's all the game is in here. You first defeat yourself mentally, and then you defeat the exam. No matter how late you feel it is, it's never late. It's just consistency and keep up to it. Be consistent with your work. And a great big thanks to my teachers, my parents, especially my parents. I've had my times of low, they've always been there, encouraging and motivating me. And my teachers as well, I could ever approach them and they would always give me tips, motivation, always guide me.
I'm very happy with Stellar Academy, the hard work which they've done, wherein my son has really done very well. Proud of it. Thank you, Stellar.
Hello, my name is Prajakta Gaukar. I'm from Stellar's integrated program. I scored 95.5 percentile in JEE Main's attempt 1. Tips I would like to give the juniors is that to study consistently every day for 5 hours at least, and to solve questions and ask your doubts regularly. My experience at Stellar was very good. The teachers are really nice, the staff is very friendly, and the test series of Stellar is also very good. Good level questions are there to answer. Overall experience was nice. Yes, I would like to recommend Stellar if you are very serious about doing well in competitive exams, you should join Stellar. I would like to thank my parents and my teachers for the constant support that they gave me throughout this journey.
म्हणजे चली JEE Mains एकदम बरें गेलें. म्हणजे आय एम प्राऊड ऑफ हर. पूण तेणी खूब हार्ड वर्क केला आनी पेशन्सूय खूब दिला तेणी. पेरंट्सांनूय पेशन्स खूब दिवपाचें भुरग्यांक.
Hi, my name is Kieran Dorado and I'm part of Stellar's School Integrated Program, and my percentile in the JEE Main's first attempt is 95.06 percentile. I've cracked 95.06 percentile and it's a good feeling, but I'm going to give my second attempt also, in which I hope to do even better. To my juniors, I would like to say follow your teachers because they have a lot of experience and they know what they're teaching. And along with that, you must work hard also. It's not an easy journey. It is consistency that matters. So yeah, keep working hard and follow your teachers. The experience with Stellar was quite great, I'd say, because you had frequent tests that you could attend, and also we finished the portion on time. And yeah, we had a lot of time to practice. And I look forward for my juniors also following the legacy of us. Yeah, I would like to thank my parents firstly for always being there with me and supporting me no matter what, even when in the tests when I got less marks and slowly they started increasing. My parents were always there with me. I would also like to thank God for giving me this opportunity to study at Stellar and perform well. And also to my teachers who have been a constant support, constant guide, all the teachers and the staff of Stellar as well. Yeah, for those who are watching this and are thinking of joining, I think they should join Stellar because it is by far one of the best decisions of my life.
I'm Larissa Sikarwar, a student of Stellar High Secondary Integrated Program, and I have scored 95.04 in JEE Main Session 1. Overall, my experience with Stellar was really good. The teachers were really cooperative. They solved our doubts all the time, and the management was really cooperative. I would like to thank my parents, my sister, my relatives for taking this trouble so that I could achieve this achievement.
My name is Renan Mascarenhas. I'm a student from Estellar Academy Integrated Program. My JEE Main percentile is 94.72. I feel immense joy and happiness. Of course, all my hard work has paid off. Again, there is more to achieve, so
I'll be working even more hard to achieve a higher percentile. It was overall a fun experience. Again, I enjoyed learning. The teachers were very helpful in times when I didn't feel like studying or was unmotivated. I was also motivated by the teachers. I was given proper attention. Uh, it was a unique experience, something I'd experienced once in a lifetime. I really enjoyed it and I loved it. To my juniors, I would say have faith in the teachers. And of course, I'm not just throwing words in the air. I speak from experience. My teachers have helped me. They've always supported me, and they will support each one of you as well. I would like to thank my mother for always being helpful, and also my teachers and uh, principal from my previous school for always supporting me, caring for me, and my godfather as well for watching over me and motivating me. Yeah, I want to thank the other staff as well, besides the teaching staff of Estellar Academy. They have also been very helpful and supportive in various technical as well as study related stuff.
Hello, my name is Diana Costa and I studied in Stellar Integrated Program and my JEE Main percentile is 94.50 in the first January session. I feel happy about this and I want to work better from the next attempt to get better. My journey with Stellar has started from the 8th grade and it has been great since then. And I would also like to thank my teachers and everyone who has helped me to achieve this. To my juniors, I would like them to know that they should be consistent in what they're doing, study hard and not be discouraged if they ever get a bit of less marks in some exams. You can always try again and do better in the next ones. I would also like to thank my parents for being there with me and keeping me encouraged to do better.
Hello guys, my name is Sairaj Dilip Vendikar and I am a student of Estellar High Secondary School. And I have scored 94.39 percentile in JEE session 1. And now after this score, I feel like I have to improve even more in the second attempt and like I'm aiming for like a top IIT in CS branch. So even for advance, I have to prepare more. For my juniors, like I'll just say you have to be consistent with your work and like do PYQs, like more and more PYQs and ask your doubts to the teachers. Yeah, so like for this performance, like I'll thank my teachers firstly and parents and even my brother who also studied in Stellar and like had a good score and like he helped me a lot with my doubts and all. And like yeah, all the Stellar faculty also helped me a lot like whenever I had doubts and all the teachers helped and also the other staff helped in all the things. I would recommend like all juniors to attend Stellar High Secondary and especially integrated because it saves a lot of time.
Hello, I'm Umspash Sandesh Pardesai. I'm from Stellar Academy from integrated batch. I scored 93.76 percentile in JEE Mains. I feel good, but I want to improve in the second session. So I will give tips that you should manage time, do not give up, focus, and practice a lot of questions. My overall experience with Stellar was great. The staff, the faculties were supportive, motivating. Shivam sir, Yogendra sir, Arkan sir, they've always motivated us. They helped us in our doubts. Yeah, I want to thank my parents because they always motivated me when I felt low. Uh, they always backed me. So I would say if you can stay in nearby colleges, like if you want to learn, you have to stay nearby the colleges because I have traveled a lot, so I know how to tackle this time. So the time management is very difficult when you travel a lot. So I would say stay nearby and give a lot of time in studies. Don't get distracted by social media or something like that sort of things. So yeah, the environment is good because there are no distractions. You just have to study in the classroom. So your friends are also competitive. So you get a lot of motivation.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharon Naik. I'm from Estellar Academy and I've scored 93.56 percentile in JEE Mains Session 1. After clearing JEE Mains, I'm feeling very confident for my following exams. To all my juniors, I want to give them advice that everyone should study hard and do not waste their time. Stellar has given me a lot of confidence and all the teachers were very supportive and because of them I was able to clear JEE Mains. My parents have also supported me a lot and I'm very grateful for them.
Hi, my name is Anya Desai. I'm from Stellar School Integrated Program and my GE percentile was 93.22. I feel good but I'm aiming higher for second attempt. My experience with Stellar Academy was great. The teachers were really nice and approachable. The study material was really good. It was self-sufficient and the mock tests were really helpful. I'm thankful for my parents for supporting me and my teachers from Stellar Academy.
Hello, my name is Urvi Onskar and I am a student of Estellar High Secondary School of Excellence's Integrated Program. I have scored 93.11 percentile in the JEE Mains 2026 Session 1. My experience at Estellar has been amazing. I have received all kinds of support from my teachers as well as the management. We have a number of test series that help us check and revise the syllabus from time to time again and again. So we never lose touch with the content and there's never a scope for doubts that are remaining. It's always clear. I'd like to thank all my teachers, my parents, my friends, the management at Stellar and everyone who's helped me during my journey.
Hello, my name is Daniel Montero and I'm a student of Stellar School Integrated Program and I got 93 percentile in JEE. Yeah, I feel fine. I feel like I can do better next time. And to all my juniors, I'd recommend just believe in yourself. Like after all these tests and all at Stella, some preparation you'll have, even if you don't study at the last minute. My experience at Stella was good. Like the teachers here are better than like anywhere else that you'll get at a proper school or something if you go. Here the teachers are better in comparison. I'd like to thank my parents, my teachers for like all the doubts and all they cleared. The friends for giving me notes and all, mostly parents, etc.
My name is Trisha Ghare. I'm from Stellar Academy Integrated Program. I scored 92.94 in JEE Main Session 1. Like my experience at Stellar was great. The teachers here are great. It was like a great experience. And like the modules are really good. The test papers, like the test series, also pretty good. To my juniors, it's like just study harder and like believe in yourself. I want to say thanks to my parents and my teachers who supported me.
My name is Aryan Kaitaro Fernandez. I am from Stellar Academy and I have scored 92.8 percentile in JEE Mains. To all my juniors who are preparing for JEE Mains or NEET, I would suggest to enjoy the process, not take that much burden and just enjoy the process and don't try to overdo it. Take your time and everything will come into place if you work hard enough. Stellar Academy has been great. The teachers here are very friendly, not overly friendly. They're strict when they have to be, and they teach well. They teach high level education, and the staff also here is quite competitive. They are always doing their job well. I would recommend anyone who's planning to prepare for NEET or JEE to join Estellar Academy because it's one of the best in the world. Even my elder brother Rohan Fernandez has cracked NEET. He answered 24 paper and now he's in GMC second year. So yeah, it's reliable.
Our experience has been very good with Stella. I thank for Yogendra and all the teachers and the staff. And I hope it does well. And all the exams is approaching. Yes, that's it. And all the best to all the students.
My name is Palak Prashant Desai. I am from Estellar Academy. My percentile is 92.86. To all my juniors, I would like to suggest that properly attend the classes, be attentive, give mock tests and revise everything. Like in Stellars, there were regular tests. We used to attend that and material were good. Teachers, faculty were very nice. Like whenever you want something like doubts and all, that was being clear. For second attempt, I want to get a good percentile to get into a top college. Thanks to all the faculties of Stellar, thanks to my parents and thanks to everyone who had guided me, even to my brother.
I'm Shwena Borkar. I'm a student of Stellar School Integrated Program. I have scored 92.64 percentile in JEE Main Session 1. I feel good that I have cracked the JEE Main first exam, but I would want to work harder for the second session. The tips that I would like to give my juniors is to work hard, don't give up, stay focused and believe in yourself. My experience with Stellar Academy was really good. All the teachers were good, including all the modules and materials. Lastly, I would like to thank my family for all the support.
Hello everyone, my name is Agaz Khan and I am a student of Stellar Academy and I have scored 92.48 percentile in the first session, January attempt of JEE Mains examination. So the tips which I would want to give to my juniors is that the key is consistency and practicing questions. My experience in Stellar Academy was very good and their DPPs modules and all the studying material, their teachers, it's very good and helping a lot. Yeah, I would definitely recommend Stellar Academy for my juniors and it's really a great institute. I would like to say thank you to my parents, my teachers, all the staff who supported me with mental pressure and everything, and it was really nice experience.
Hello, I am Shresi Rao and I am a student of Stellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence and I secured 92.34 percentile for JEE Main's first attempt. My experience with Stellar Academy was really good. The teachers are also very nice, they are helpful and very supportive and they give DPPs and modules which are very helpful. And I would like to recommend Stellar Higher Secondary School to my juniors. I want to say thanks to my parents, my teachers who always there for me.
My name is Nash Putaro and I have achieved 91.72 percentile in JEE Main Session 1 and I am from Stellar Integrated Program. To all my juniors, I would like to say that be consistent in whatever you prepare, practice a lot of PYQs from the previous JEE Main questions and whatever test is mock test you're answering, don't be disheartened from what the score comes out. Just be vigilant and improve on the mistakes that you have done, and next time whenever there's a test you have to answer it, give your best at it and you can achieve what you have dreamt of. It was a good experience at Stellar. I have learned a lot of things and I have learned to gain confidence and improve my psychological mind, and that I thank to all the Stellar faculty in this. I would definitely recommend you to send your child to Stellar Academy because they provide the best facilities for your education in JEE Mains with your answer. I would thank my parents, my mom and dad for helping me, supporting me throughout this whole journey, 2 years preparation and everything that I have done so far. They kept me motivated into not getting disheartened and just focus on my main goal and my dreams. Thank you.
My name is Rudra Yashwantkar. I am studying in Estellar Academy's integrated program and I have scored 90.85 percentile in January session. To my juniors, I would recommend not giving up. Even when you are down, you must never give up and continue your hard work as it is. The teachers were really good. They helped us after class in our personal doubts, whatever we had in our subjects or maybe the previous year question papers. I would definitely recommend my juniors to join Estellar Academy for the preparation for NEET, JEE Mains and JEE Advance. I would like to thank my teachers for guiding me to the right path from where I was and making me get good score in my JEE first session.
My name is Arthur Favero. I am a student of Stellar Integrated Program and I have scored 90.61 percentile in JEE Main. To my juniors, you just need to practice hard but also don't stress too much that you can't study anymore. My overall experience with Stellar was good. The teachers were also very responsive to our doubts and all, and the tests were useful as well. I would like to thank my parents, teachers and friends for supporting me during these 2 years that I spent studying for this exam.
I am Singh from Estellar Academy and I have scored 90.5 percentile in JEE Main Session 1 January attempt. To my juniors, I would like to tell that be focused, keep working hard and don't give up. I would like to thank Stellar Academy, my parents and the teachers who supported me and helped me to achieve this score.
My name is Vansh Dangi and I am a student of Stellar Academy and I am studying since 11th coaching batch and I have got 90.40 percentile in my JEE Mains attempt 1. So I would like to thank my grandparent, my grandmother and my parents and also my peers for supporting me
throughout this journey. So I would recommend my juniors to join Stellar Academy as it is one of the best in the town. I would always say that keep like this 2 years of journey. Only thing you have to do is stay motivated and you have to practice as much as you can to crack this exam. So in April time I will try to score even more than 90.40, and of course I think if I work hard I can do that.
My name is Manasi Nesrikar. I am from Stellar Higher Secondary Integrated Program and I have scored 90.02 in JEE Main Session 1. To all my juniors, I would recommend to keep working hard since day 1 and to not get distracted on social media. My experience with Stellar Academy was very great. Teachers were helpful. They solved my doubts. The classes were very interactive. I would like to say thank you to my teachers who supported me throughout my journey, even my parents and all my mentors.